Our company name is called Duet, and it operates in the personal care and hygiene industry. The core business centers around the development, production, and distribution of an innovative hand sanitizer. The product aimed at health-conscious individuals and establishments such as school, office, restaurant, and families seeking reliable sanitation solution. The target market primarily includes young adults, parents, professionals, and organizations that prioritize hygiene and convenience in their daily routines. Our main product is dual chamber hand sanitizer called Duet, designed to offer both regular sanitation and moisturizing solution in a single portable package. So for the competitive advantage, Duet stands out through its innovative dual-chamber packaging, which allows users to dispense both an effective sanitizer and moisturizing agent, a solution that addresses common complaints about skin dryness from frequent sanitizer. The core advantage include quality, innovation, sustainability, and customers' experience. So for the quality, the medical grade ingredients meeting or exceeding industry standards for germs elimination. So for the innovation, the only product it segments to offer simultaneous disinfection and hydration, combining with convenience with care. So for the sustainability, the packaging use recyclable materials and refills are encouraged to reduce waste. So for customers' experience, easy to use, refillable, and portable, enhancing hygiene without sacrificing comfort. So for my contribution in developing business proposal, my primary part in this project, I focus on market analysis, product market fit, and understanding consumer behavior. I examine what customers need most, why existing product falls short, and how Duet offers a better solution. And I also contribute to writing the market rationale and recommended strategies based on trends and data. Through this project, I learned the importance of teamwork and effective communication, especially when integrating diverse ideas into a combined business concept. I also gained practical insight into entrepreneurship from product to idea to market validation and how to structure a business plan that appeals to both customers and potential investors. The experience sharpened my analytical skills and improved my ability to present business strategies and confidently. The importance of matching a product features to real customers' challenges, working closely with a team, and thinking creatively to make our business proposal strong and relevant.